As I told you yesterday, the coordinate geometry, which is also called analytic geometry, the main objective of this geometry is to just locate the position of any object in this universe uniquely. So the question is based upon that. Suppose this is the table I am lying here on this table, and I want to just describe the position of this on my table to others. Now, with the help of coordinate geometry, how you can do that? As I said, in coordinate, you need to draw the lines of axis. The lines of axis we are drawing. So somewhere what happens, you have to see the point of intersection is called origin, and then we have to move towards the horizontally towards the x-axis and vertically towards the y-axis. So this is there when we are speaking from the coordinate geometry point of view. Now what happens here? I am giving you a demo of answering this question. Suppose I am taking this table here. Now to describe the position of, suppose this book is there on this table, what I can do is, we have to take two lines, a perpendicular and another the horizontal. So you can see, if I will take this line, this is the horizontal line and this is the perpendicular line, and where these two edges of this table are intersecting with each other is the origin. This is the origin. So in that way you can mark this as the x-axis and this as the y-axis. So one of the corner you can take as the origin, and then from the origin join the line to the lamp and mark a point. Now I am moving from here to here, and then I will see that lamp is here. I will read this writing here where this is lying, and then similarly parallel to its y-axis also, because I said distance along x-axis is the abscissa and distance along y-axis is the ordinate. If it is lying here, suppose this is the position, this is the table, this is one edge and this is the vertical, I have taken like this and this. So I will move to this point. Suppose this comes somewhere here is 5 centimeter. Immediately I will move to up. So suppose this comes somewhere is 3 here. So if it is 5 and it is 3, so I will locate the position of the table lamp 5, 3. So that is, these are the chords, and that is the position uniquely I can describe of this table lamp on this table. So practically you need to understand, one is the x-axis, horizontal one, and vertical one is the y-axis, and from there you have to read this, and you are parallel to y-axis also. On y-axis you have to read the another reading. Those you can mark as the x chord and y chord, and in that way you can just answer the position of the table lamp on your table, study table. Exactly, uniquely, is 5 and 3 is the unique position. So if I will speak from the location of the different points in this quadrant point of view, so 5 and 3 only and only be the unique. No other point can have this value, that is the x chord 5 and 3. So I hope you understand that. So that's all about your first question. And in second question, what you have to do is, a city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. So what you can do is, you draw these. Suppose I am taking this as the, so you need to draw a plan, street plan here. So the instructions given to you are, a city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north, south and east, west. So what you can do is, draw a line which is showing east to west. Suppose this is east and this is west here, and then another is showing somewhere here north and south. This is north and this is towards south. Now to describe the streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meter apart, that is the scale calibration done to you, and there are 5 streets in each direction. So 1 centimeter you have to take is equal to 200 meters. So in that way you can draw the 5 streets parallel to east to west. Suppose this is street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. So these you can give the number parallel to your east-west, and then you can write here street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. Similarly, parallel to your north-south also you have to take. So you draw these 5 also, 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more is there, so you can extend this. No issues are there. So these are the 5 streets parallel to your, this was your east-west and this is your north-south. So these are parallel to your north-south. Street 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you can give them the numbers like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now these are the streets drawn parallel to your east-west and parallel to your north-south as the conditions are given. So somewhere you need to draw east-west and then north-south, 5 parallel to east-west and 5 parallel to north-south. Now what happens? A particular cross street is made by 2 streets. Cross street. Now cross street, when we are drawing these parallel towards each other, that is east-west and north-south, there are the points of cross-section, number of points you are getting. So each cross street is referred to in the following manner. Like if the second street running in the north, second street running in the north and north-south street, second street running in north-south, second. So this is second street running in your north-south. So this is parallel to your north-south. This is the second street. And then it is asked if fifth in east-west. Fifth in east-west is this one. That is the fifth one. So second means you have to move towards this is the point of intersection of both east-west and north-south. So from here you can start counting 1, 2. So this is the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth. So this is the cross section of second street towards north-south and fifth street towards east-west. So this is the point which is unique here, 2 and 5. Similarly, he is asking how many cross streets can be referred as 4 and 3 or 3 and 4. So 4 and 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 and 4 towards your this. And then 1, 2, 3. So this is 4, 3. This is 4, 3. And similarly 3, 4 is 1, 2, 3. Third street parallel to north south. So third street and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is your 3 and 4. How many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3? Now you just can have a look why I was saying the position is unique. No other point of intersection in this model can be consisting of these chords, that is 4 and 3. This is unique. Similarly, this is also unique, 3 and 4, only and only one is possible. So that's why the coordinate geometry is referred to locate the position of the objects uniquely. So this model you can try, which was a kind of activity. I don't think any need to prepare from the examination point of view, but I hope you all understand these activities, how to do and how to draw. And simply we are covering the objective which I told to you yesterday. The main objective is to locate the position of the object uniquely in this universe. So both the questions were the practical ones based upon your coordinate geometry. We are moving together towards the x-axis and then towards the y-axis, which we called yesterday your abscissa and its ordinate. Then in your second exercise, if you go through, so there is a question number 1. Write the answer of each of the following questions. First question is, what is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines? I hope all of you can answer that. These vertical are the y-axis and horizontal are the x-axis. Then, what are the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So I told you yesterday, those are called quadrants as soon as you have drawn the x-axis and y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, parts are called the quadrants. And third part is write the name of the point where these two lines intersect, and this point is the O point, which is called the origin. Second figure, in second question you are given with a figure and the points are marked there. You have to simply write the coordinates of all these points. I hope all of you can do that. For example, suppose I am reading the first point B, so you can see it is lying to the left of the origin. So definitely on the x-axis the value will be minus, and then towards the y-axis upwards B is there in the second quadrant. So you know in second quadrant I told you yesterday both are positive, x negative, y positive, both are negative, x positive, y negative. So when you are moving towards this, your B is lying in the second quadrant, very clearly x will be minus and y will be plus. So it is lying at minus 5 on the x-axis and its ordinate is 2, so parts of B will be minus 5 and 2. So if you are looking for that, in same way you have to mark the coordinates of all these points which are given here in this figure. I hope all of you can do that. So please finish that part. If any difficulty is there, you can send a comment and definitely I will attend you back. Then in last exercise, if you go through, first question is in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points, these are the points given to you, lie, and verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So you can use a graph paper also instead of this plain paper if you want, otherwise you can do it on a plain paper, but then you need to calibrate the scale also. So quadrant, it is very easy, like minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4 means minus and plus, that is second quadrant. That is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. X is positive, y is negative. Immediately you can answer in the fourth quadrant. Then minus 1, 0. I said, well, this is minus 1. X is minus 1 and y coord is 0. So when y is 0, that is always lying on the x-axis. On the x-axis. And 1 and 2, both are positive, are lying in the first quadrant, and minus 3 and minus 5 both are negative, definitely will be there in the third quadrant. So in that way you can answer all these parts comfortably, because yesterday I told you there are 6 possibilities. 4 are the quadrants and 2 are the axis. One is your x-axis and another is the y-axis. Whenever you are like for this it was y chord, whenever your y chord is 0 it is always lying on the x-axis, and whenever your x chord is 0 it is always lying on the y-axis. So that's all about your question number 1. I hope all of you can do that comfortably also. And second is plot the x and y given on the following table, and you are given with the table. Now you have to draw this in first and second question. In second question of last exercise and first question of this exercise, simply you are supposed to read the chords and to write their position. In second question you have to draw and then you have to plot. I hope all of you can do that comfortably. So if any difficulty is there, please let me know. So please try all these questions. That is the end of your coordinate geometry as per your NCERT, and from your examination point of view, weightage of this topic is 2 to 3 marks maximum. I will add the questions later on to your assignment, few another questions from the examination point of view. So one more thing I would like to share with you, that is regarding your reflection. Sometimes reflection is taking place through these lines of axis, that you make a note please, because somewhere this is based upon your physics. What happens? So suppose here is a point, this is 1 and this is here also it is 1. Suppose I am marking a point here A, and now I need to reflect it. A, the chord I know 1 and minus 1. If this is 1 and this is 1, I am just writing 1 and minus 1. Now if you need to reflect this through x-axis, so what is the meaning of reflection? And through x-axis we are saying, so this is the mirror now, this is the object here, and through this mirror I need to mark the image. So there is a law, basic law is there. As far as the object is there in front of the mirror, same at the same distance the image will be formed behind the mirror. In the mirror you can see that. So if you are talking about from this distance is 1, so definitely I have to move up to 1 only. So my image will be there. Means A1 if I am writing the image. So what happens? The distance will be same. So my y coord is there. So this is 1 and 1. Very interesting to see what happens. If I read the chord, definitely it is reflecting through x-axis and image will be there behind this. If this is A, so this will be A1. So what happened? If you are taking the reflection through the x-axis, the chords will always remain same. That means this is 1 will remain 1 only. Only the sign will get changed. Here it was -1, so y chord is getting changed. So what happens if the reflection is taking through x-axis? The chord of y-axis only you have to pay attention. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Now if you are reflecting through, suppose the y-axis to this point. Again now the image is, object is here at 1. So image will be formed at -1 and the distance will remain same. So suppose I am taking A2 is the image through y-axis. Now read the chord -1 and 1. So here the chords are -1 and 1. Now what happened? The image I have drawn reflection through y-axis. Now this is the mirror. So again the chords remain same, but when it is taking through y-axis, what is happening? The sign of x is getting changed. If it is 1, now it is -1 and y will remain same. So this is the basic point you need to remember. Whenever the reflection is taking place through x-axis, chords will remain same, but the sign of y chord will always be getting changed. And when the reflection is taking through y-axis, again the chords will remain same, 1 1 1 1 definitely. But the sign of x chord will always be changed. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. What happens if it takes through the origin? So if it takes through the origin, both the chords, the image will be somewhere here, -1 and -1. So I am taking it as A3. If the reflection is taking place through the origin, so 1 1 if you are reflecting, so image will be -1 and -1. Then you need to change the sign of both the chords, x as well as y. So 3 are the possibilities: through x-axis, through y-axis. Through x-axis you have to change only the sign of y chord. Through y-axis you have to change only the sign of x chord, and through origin you have to change the sign of both the chords, that is x as well as y. So that is all about this topic. So now a few assignment questions. Definitely I will add to your knowledge. And if any other difficulties there, you please come back with your queries. And if any doubt from your exercise point of view, again you can bring it to my notice. Thank you.